Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is going to show you the first bike service stand that I have seen here in Toronto. See what I'm talking about? So, see what I'm talking about here. So this is it. This is where you're gonna lay your bike over here, and you got the instructions. Now the first observation that I have here is a pump, a decent pump with a pressure gauge that goes up to 160. Let you see what I'm talking about. So there you go, 160. And if you look over here, there is the Presta and Schrader. So let you see, you do have the both of them there. See, so it's very nice. Oh, apologize for the play noise. Now as I move over further down, you see you get these little guys. Oh, this is very nice. See what I'm talking about? This is the lever. I believe these are 13, 14. You see? There you go. And this is the your next. Oh wow, this is even park tool. That's very nice and neat. And over here you got another tie lever. You see, very nice touch. And here is the big boy, a 15, 16 I believe, even bigger. And then there's a screwdriver. See, there's a screwdriver right down there. That's what I see. So quite a few things available. There you go. I'm gonna just finish off here. So this is located at the Yonge and Eglinton. So that's Yonge and Eglinton is right there. And let you see here again the stands to lock up your bike, as well as the service stand. Hope you found this interesting and useful. Like, subscribe, and take care.